Hey, that's what I wanted to show you. That's what I wanted to show you. 20,000 done-for-you planners, journals, and tracker pages, 345 Canva templates. I'm going to show you a whole list of titles and scream them past you to really overwhelm you with how many that is. But here's the important part. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is 20,000 plus Canva Editable product page bundle. It is $17. Sorry, I'm at the page. I'm going to scroll down and go $17. There we go. I'm going to scream to the top and go Edible product page bundle. You have PLR and master resale rights. I want to come down a bit further and go, it's all done. Templates, ready to customize, wellness, business, self-help, lifestyle, education, all that. There's a demo video here that you can check out. And then this is what I was talking about, just all this. So just picture this. Homeschool, fitness, monthly planners, 2026 planner, ADHD planner, textbook rental planner, assignment planner, mood tracker. There's just all these different things. And I'll let you scroll through all that, but you can see there are tons of them. I think they said 345, what did they call these? Templates. It's all set and done. 20,000 Canva editable product pages, $17, which is pretty amazing. The whole thing's put together. Do I want to show you anything more? There you just see that list of everything again. I'm gonna let you check that out. If you let's stop there. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. There is a giant product box. You can click that and you're at this page. A bit of a description and the upgrade offers. The front end 17. There's a done for you bundle, so a content mega bundle deal for 27. And then there's a link. You can click that and grab it for $17 for the front end offer and $27 for even more products. So check this out. Click the link in the video description for the 20,000 done for you planners, journals, and tracker pages. That's what I was saying, 345 Canva templates. Those templates are all listed in that list. So it tells you how many different products you have instantly for $17. Pretty amazing. Okay, click the link and check it out. It's called 20,000 Canva Editable Product Page Bundle. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.